Hello everybody! So some of you might know that we just got back from a trip in Hong Kong. And if you watch my vlogs, abangan yung Hong Kong vlog natin pala on my YouTube channel, Alvi Esguerra. It has been an unofficial tradition for us to buy sa Pop Mart. Oh, by the way, magkakaroon ng Pop Mart sa SM Mega Mall. Yay. Anyway, ewan ko, for me kasi parang nakaka-happy and there's something special whenever we travel, tapos especially when in Hong Kong. Yun na nga, para siyang naging unofficial tradition na bili tayo dyan hanggang sa makompleto natin yung set nung Space Mollies. And we did just that. We bought 2 new boxes, isang Series 2 and isang Series 3. Kasi wala pa tayong dupes, guys. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Hindi pa tayo nagkaka-dupes nito. So, bumili kami ulit ng tag-isa, and if you want to see yung process ng pagbili namin, you can watch it on our vlog, again, on my YouTube channel. Pero ngayon, i-unbox ko na siya for you guys. Isasali ko na rin to sa vlog as an unboxing. So, let's start with Series 2. Ewan ko kasi na-happy ako kapag nakikita ko sila dun kasi sila sa may door namin naka-display. Nakapila silang ganyan. Every time makikita ko sila, na-happy ako. Naiintindihan ko na yung mga nagko-collect ng toys. Noong una, hindi ko sila naiintindihan. Para ako, ano ba yan? Aksaya lang yan, kalat lang yan. Meron pala silang like tiny happiness na idudulot. Okay, for the Series 2, ang meron na tayo we have 3 na wala pang ulit. We have itong Heartbeat, yung pink. Ayan, syempre may casing na siya. We also have the Coca-Cola Classic and the Jean-Michel Basquiat. So again, ito yung meron tayo for Series 2. Let's open our box. Makita natin yung card. All is here pala sa tabi. Saway ko titingin. Kung ano siya. Oh, and getting the feet. Suhi siya, suhi. 1.
Tignan ba ako?
Wala siyang tenga.
Baka na.
1, 2, wait, iharap ko sa'yo. 1, 2, 3. Is it new? Is it new?
Wait.
Oh! Hindi siya special. Hindi siya secret.
Okay.
Yung face niya. Meron ganito sila, Alex. Ito yung Patrick Star. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's so cute. Open natin yung helmet. Tada! Oh, ang ganda ng mata niya. Green. Yay! Wala pa tayong dupe. Wala pa ulit. May swerte tayo talaga, in fairness. Pero walang secret, but that's okay. Pag nag-unboxing pala ako nito, hindi ko pinapakita sa inyo yung